Welcome, this is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question number 95. The instruction to this question, or in answering this question, says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options, and the instruction here is to answer question from 71 to 100, and the sentence here say the first rule of that should be strictly addressed to always keep your living dash clean. You see now, we by now in question number 94 we said the answer to it is what? Hygiene, and hygiene means cleanness. Now the first rule of hygiene should be strictly addressed to always keep your living dash clean. A. Atmosphere. B. Environment. C. Habitats. D. Quarters. E. Space. You cannot talk of space. Space is another concept entirely on its own. Then quarters cannot work function in this expression because quarters is more of a division or something. Then we cannot talk of atmosphere. Atmosphere is synonymous to space or air. Then environment or habitat. Then always keep your living dash clean. Now it cannot be environment. Environment is synonymous to surrounding, so it's habitat. Habitat means where you dwell, means dwelling, when you dwell. So can I say that the first rule of hygiene should also be strictly adherent to always keep your living habitat clean, so that we make the place, if the place is clean, then it will be habitable to live. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.